Hi, today I'm going to show you how to split your screen on the iPad. And this is going to be like really easy, especially with the use of Assistive Touch. So last week I showed you how to use Assistive Touch. Let me just review you a little bit and how to activate Assistive Touch. Go to Settings. Under Accessibility, click Touch. Assistive Touch should be turned on. And what I did was I also added multitasking. So now that my Assistive Touch is ready, I can show you how to split a screen. So the first thing you need to do is to open one application. So for this demonstration, I'm going to open Keynote. And then I'm going to click on Assistive Touch and then click on multitasking. It's going to ask you on which side of the screen do you want the other app to show up. So I'm going to choose to pin it on the left side of the screen. So I'm going to click on this. Your dock is going to pop up. If I want to see Safari, so I'm going to click on Safari. So there you go. Safari is now showing on the left side of my screen. Now, if you notice, there is this gray vertical bar that you can move left or right, and then you can rest it right there down the center so that you have an even view of both applications. So let's say you're done working on both applications. If you want to get rid of one of them, let's say I want to get rid of Safari, all I need to do is hold down the vertical divider, okay? And then I'm going to push this all the way to the left until Safari goes away. And there you have it.